Yogis, Merry Christmas. Today I'm making this video especially on Christmas after considering the harsh winters. So today my topic is Surya Bheda Pranayama or right nasal breathing, which is practiced basically in winters, and the purpose is healed with the cold. So for Suryabhedi or sun piercing, you may sit in any comfortable pose. It does not matter in sitting, any posture could be used. Only the thing is your back is straight, your shoulders are aligned, and in Suryabhedi or sun piercing, we start to breathe with the right nasal. So we start to inhale with the right and you exhale with the left. We go in the reason why to breathe with right. The reason is the right nasal of our body. In yogic way, it's called the sun. So the nature gave us all that balance. If we want to increase heat, we can use the right a lot. If we want to bring that calmness, that cooling, so we can start to breathe with the left. This is that coordination. So in sun piercing pranayama, Suryabhedi, as we make this balance, we inhale with right, so we are hitting or targeting our left hemisphere, which is very effective for physical activities. And in winters, especially when it's so cold, you may try. You start to active your right nasal. So your right nasal represents that it's open and the heat will come naturally in the working of bandhas or the locks. So with Suryabhedi or sun piercing, there are three bandhas. They are mostly practiced. One is Jalandhar. In Jalandhar bandha, we will inhale with our right nostril. We will exhale with left. Now there is no breathing. What we do, we just place our chin over the throat, close to the chest. Then what is second bandha, which is called Udyan. Udyan is concerned with your stomach. So the working is same. You will inhale with right. You exhale with left. As you complete your breathing, the next work to lift up the abdominal part, the core, and to bring it close to your rib cage. To know about full sun Suryabhedi or sun piercing pranayama, you may watch my other video. I will put one link in description below, so you may go and to look in details. Third one is called Mahabandha. Mahabandha is like a combination of your moon bandh, your first lock, second bandh, I showed you the Udyan bandh, and third lock, the Jalandhar. For that, you will require it's better to sit in Vajra's practice. I will inhale through my right. I will exhale with the left. We'll make this complexion is controlled. So what we do, first we contract the anus region. This is the reason into Vajrasana. So on the lumbar part, near the pelvis, can easily contract the sacrum. The second part, Udyan Bandha. Now the third, your chin fall into the chest, the Jalandhar Bandha. And this bandha is so powerful if you're capable of making three bandhas at the same time. Your body's temperature, the heat, you will feel a lot of heat and no cold inside. But as much you can hold. Whenever you need the next prana to take in, you open first lock, second lock, and to release the anus region, the contraction over there. I will show you one more time how to practice this Mahabandha. So the same, you will inhale with your right nasal. We will exhale through the left. Now there is no prana in. We start to contract the anus region. Second bandha. Now the third. So this is the sequence of your bandhas one by one. It is called Maha, like complete blocking. So prana is not going in anymore. And we use that heat. That's the reason for your Suryabheda Pranayama, that you get that heat from inside. When you need the second prana, you open your lungs one by one, and then you make normal breathing. So this is the working of Suryabheda Pranayama or sun piercing breathing, which is so effective in winters. You may try this breathing and the benefits and the changes, please write in the comment box. And if you liked, please press like button, share the video, please subscribe the channel if you're a newcomer. It highly motivates, and I will bring some other good, nice topics next time. Until then, namaste.